Look who we got here. Look who we got. We got Rashid. We got Plug. Y'all know what time it is. And he here to collect some goodies.
Oh, yeah. Nicole, this on the way for you, just so you know.
Oh, hell yeah.
Shout out to Nicole.
Big facts.
Dream Fest.
You're damn right.
The Junkies, Jay, hey, if you watching.
That's what's up, bro. So, yeah, today we taking this bucket out. Going on a little road trip with it today. So, we'll see what happens. Hopefully nothing happens that's bad. Just want to make it there safely and back. Get what needs to get done with it and bring it back home and enjoy the 4th of July. So
yes, sir, you guys be safe out there, enjoy your weekend.
Yo, make sure all y'all keep y'all 10s, man.
Oh man. So yeah, let's get this vlogging started for today. Alright, boys, so as you can see, the car got Jason's shop, Rashid, the homie Emmer, Jason. He already pulled off one of the dumb tube from the wastegate, and he's gonna try to hook me up, bro, because he said setup kind of looked trash, so he said he's gonna go help me out. So he's gonna cut this shit off, bro. But yes sir. Right, on my way here, bro. The most hated and the fastest M4 in Palm Beach and Broward, bro. Class guy. You was flying this morning. Oh, okay. I thought you were trying to catch up that the Bimmer, the what was it, X6? I thought that's what you were going for. Oh, okay. Sweating right now, it's hot. But I had pretty much a failing injector, and it was causing the car to lean out, so we swapped it, and the car's a little bit better now. This is the failed injector. Put an X on it, I don't know if y'all can see it, but
It's nice to have spare parts.
facts. So that's where we at.
Hey, when you river goes down, right? No, it went up. It went up? Oh, that's good. What goes down too?
Alright y'all boys, we're on the road with Jason. He's helping me out with the map right now, just drivability, just to make sure it drives fine. And yeah, I'm on 3% on the GoPro, so I don't want to kind of keep wasting the battery life on it, so I'll only pick up the GoPro when I need to. But yeah, we're doing this little road tune, get it on the road. Look at this Porsche.
Oh, that's an old school.
That's an old school Porsche,
Old
bro.
school.
Looking nice.
Nice.
Alright, so the issue we're running into right now, it's either fuel, the regulator, or the injectors. Something don't like something. Injectors is probably acting up, or the regulator is probably just trash, and we just need to change it. So the next thing on my list is to change this and get back an air motive. I had an air motive before, but it took a shit on me, and I learned now that I can actually rebuild them, but I threw that shit away. So now I probably have to go get a new air motive one, and then maybe some bigger injectors. So yeah, that's it for now. Jason's gonna let the car cool down. He's gonna take it on the next test drive. He's gonna make sure
I can see everything.
he can see everything, and like just kind of dial it in, at least make it drive without breaking up, because trust me, but at least we're tracing the issue now, and not when we're going to the dyno.
Yep.
Cause that would have sucked. Up top. What's good, bro? You've been kind of quiet today, bro. What's good, bro?
You hot. Just trying, nigga. It's too hot to be talking today, bro.
Oh, you don't feel?
I just want to fight the weather, bro.
True. All right, y'all boys. We'll keep you posted.
Oh, okay, I see why. It goes to a different cam angle, that's why.
Huh?
It goes to a totally different cam angle.
Oh, so it,
Yeah, that's why. You gotta do that to me.
wait, that was us? That was a car that just did that pop?
Yeah.
I thought that was a firework. You can feel like this shit is ready to take flight. Oh no.
Right.
Car still on?
Yeah, of course.
High pressure off.
Coasting, baby.
Temperature good.
Watch your wing mirrors move up. Fucking mirror keep moving, dude.
It's not tightened down. I think that's the problem. Yo, y'all support me, bro. Buy some shit from me so I can buy some shit. You feel me? Because if I can buy shit for the car, I'll be able to give you guys better content, and then I can bring business to Jason so he can work on my car and tune the car to make the car faster, and then everybody's happy. You're happy, you get content. I'm happy because my car is running right, and Jason's happy, so he won't have to roast me.
You're just supporting the thing, dude.
Yeah, they're supporting the thing, bro.
shit was just a nightmare, man.
Didn't even hit 10 pounds. It held the spring.
Yeah?
It held gate.
Yeah, that's good.
It held gate, bro. Oh, God.
That's good. No.
You go feed that go?
Yeah, man, I want to look at more fuel. Man, shit on 3 pounds. That shit moved for 3. That shit doing 50 bam. I'm like, oh, okay. Alright, ready?
Yeah. Is that there?
Yeah.
Yo! Yo! First official pull. That shit felt nice. Welcome to Air Jamaica. Flight 101. Next stop. God. Second gear?
Yep. Throttle cable stuck.
Huh?
The throttle cable got stuck. Yeah, she got stuck. Check it. Yeah, I look at the guy that shit still was like trying to rev. Like, shut it off.
So we're gonna be leaving in a few. So far everything has been good to me, thank God. Car's still running, it's driving, it starts up. Has a little few issues that I gotta sort out, but that's for the future. But for right now, it's pretty good. Rashid, what do you think, bro? You went for a drive?
Yeah. It's moving out.
I said it's moving. So yeah, that's the plan, man.
Good on these tires too.
I'm saying, dude. I'm saying. So Jason coming over with his car, and we might head out pretty soon. Got some gas, now I'm going home. Chilling. Got Emmer following behind us. She is with me. We are going home, boys. Go. Go boost. High pressure.
Look at this guy.
Hey, you see it says poetic justice. Poetic justice, Black Lives Matter, you know? BLM. Gang, gang.
Yeah, so I didn't finish the video yesterday, but to finish off this video, we're actually changing Kent's spoiler on the SI. We got Alan Speck. Shout out to Alan Speck. Give him a follow on his YouTube channel.
Follow YouTube. Video dropping whenever he drops his video.
Relax.
You guys are gonna get one Alan Speck video and one K-Bro video whenever he drops his video.
Look at Chris's car, dude. Look at Alan Speck, bro. That boy finally lowered. He got a nitrous kit installed, but he said I shouldn't tell you guys, but it's K-Bros, bro. I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna give you all the inside, dude. So he got a nitrous kit, car lowered, and he got some goodies for the car. He got something else. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that, but I wanted to let y'all know he's on nitrous. I can't stress it enough. He's on nitrous. He's gonna kill me. But look at the stance, dude. It's nice, and when he put the other stuff on the car, you'll see it, dude. It looks pretty nice. But that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys liked the video. It's been a while since I've actually put my car back on the channel officially, and I'm glad it's you guys seen the car, you know, ripping down the street. Big shout out to Prestige, big shout out to VMS and Pure Oil and all the homies. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.